Hi, I'm Olivier Francon from the Cognizant AI Labs in San Francisco, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new neuro-san-studio project in less than 5 minutes, thanks to the new library distributed on PyPI, so that you don't have to clone the repo anymore. So let's start by creating a new project. I'll call it my project. And then I cd into it, and I'm going to use UV to create a new project. So UV creates all these basic folders. The next thing I wanted to do is to create a virtual environment to install my dependencies. So I run UV VM, and I'm going to activate it with this command. And now I'm in my own virtual environment, which means that I can start adding new libraries. So I'm going to add the new neuro-san-studio library that is distributed on PyPI now. And UV is really fast at installing libraries, so it's already done. And neuro-san-studio comes with a command line tool now. So I can run neuro-san-studio help. That will show me the command line interface. So I have a few commands. There's even more in the next version. There is a shortcut because neuro-san-studio is hard to type. You can just type ns and you get the same results. Now if I type ns init, it's going to initialize a neuro-san-studio project, which means I have to select a provider. So by default we suggest 3 here, just to get started. I'm going to use Anthropic by default, and then as a fallback I will use OpenAI. So it's created this config HOCON file that contains my configuration, and you can customize it any way you want. Just refer to the documentation. Now that I have a config, I want to make sure that my keys are working. So I can run ns check LLM keys, which will search for the environment variables in my shell and make sure that I have keys for Claude and for GPT-5 That's not using neuro-san, so you know that your keys are actually valid. So here are my keys, all good. The next thing I can do is check my config. So check config is actually going to exercise the keys and the LLMs I've configured in my LLM config, just to make sure that I can call the model. Here it called Claude Sonnet, and the answer was the expected hello. Same thing for Chat OpenAI, so everything is working fine. Next step, I want to import some existing agent networks like the agent network designer. So if I run ns import, I can import all the examples that are published with neuro-san-studio. And I can use enter to select the agent networks I want to import. And here, for instance, I can just select root to see what's in there. In root, we have the agent network designer and all its dependencies. So I'm just going to import them all and press enter. And it imports the agent networks and their dependencies, including the coded tools and everything. And you can see them now created. So that's the config, that's the coded tools, the MCP configuration, middleware, etc. So now I have everything I need. I can run neuro-san-studio run, and that will open nsflow, just like if you were checking out the repo. And I can go to the URL where nsflow is running. And I have my environment. I can test some of the agent networks, but most interestingly, I can create a new agent network, like create a solution for a warehouse manager, for instance. And the agent network is going to do its work and design a new agent network. That's in a nutshell how you install neuro-san-studio now without having to clone the repo. It takes about 5 minutes, and you can also use it to import and export agent networks. Thank you for watching.